However, weather impact alert in place for Wednesday morning into Wednesday evening. And like what we saw on Thursday, very similar setup could play out for Wednesday. We had a round in the morning composing of heavy rain and winds, and then we had some individual thunderstorms that could produce hail, tornadoes, rain, and wind as well. So definitely going to want to stay up to date on this forecast, as we're going to be monitoring this pretty closely. So again, this is for Wednesday, a very large area, level 3 out of 5, spanning from central Missouri all the way into western central Ohio. So this is a very large area of level 3 out of 5. Would not be shocked to see somewhere in central Illinois getting put at a level 4 out of 5 risk as we head in towards Wednesday. For our hometowns, however, all of us under that level 2 out of 5 risk, with now our southern counties and southern hometowns under that level 3 out of 5 as well. This has continued to move its way further and further to the north. So again, we're going to be keeping an eye on this very closely. This is how Future Track has this playing out. So area of low pressure is going to develop somewhere in the Dakotas very early Wednesday morning. Round 1 going to be Wednesday morning, sometime between 7 and 10 a.m. So you can see that one line of storms around Iowa City moving from the west to the east. This line of storms would definitely consist of heavier rain, as you can see, some of those darker reds, and also some gusty winds up to 60 miles an hour. A little bit of a break around noon, around the lunch hour, and then when that cold front starts to move its way into our area, that's when those individual thunderstorms could start to initiate, bringing in possibly half-dollar size hail, gusty winds, and yes, of course, those tornadoes that we talk about. That's what the main concern is going to be for those afternoon thunderstorms between 4 and 6 o'clock as of right now. Now, I do think most of those thunderstorms are going to be down to the south of the Metro Quad Cities, kind of near Peoria, and down south of Chicago in central Illinois, but we're still going to be watching this, as this is still near 2 days away. When this cold front passes, however, that wonderful weather is going to return for our metro, and we are seeing that wonderful weather right now. So this isn't going away forever. We'll have some more on Thursday. Have to get through the rough stuff on Wednesday, but right now 77 winds from the west around 15 miles an hour, gusting near 20 miles an hour. Dew point, dry. Enjoy your Monday evening, no doubt. We have an area of high pressure over the Midwest, bringing in those winds from the west. Notice these showers. These showers could move into our area for tomorrow morning, but for the most part, just some clouds in our area over satellite and radar. Temperatures have not even gotten out of the 70s today. Oskaloosa, really the only one at 80 degrees. Here in the Quad Cities, 77 degrees, upper 70s across the board, with a little bit more sunshine today than we saw yesterday. And those dew points, again, you can just see those dew points. They are sitting in that comfortable territory. The amount of moisture in the atmosphere is very low right now. So tonight, definitely enjoy the outdoors for tonight. Maybe open up the windows, turn off the AC again. Morning rain chance, however, that's going to become between 5 and 8 a.m. Show you that on Future Track. We'll just have some clouds lingering throughout the rest of this evening. And then a very weak cold front moving through our area pretty quickly for tomorrow. This is 5 a.m. overnight tomorrow morning. Clouds start to increase, have some scattered showers across our area. Not a lot of rain associated, maybe even an isolated thunderstorm, but for the most part, nothing severe with this cold front. Could become severe south of Chicago, but out of our area very quickly by noon. Some clouds around 3 o'clock, maybe even a tiny sprinkle for our northern counties, but for the most part, Tuesday also going to be a lovely day for the most part. So showing you that 8-day tracker. Wednesday is the day we are going to be watching very closely for rounds of thunderstorms in the morning and in the evening to afternoon as well. Thursday and Friday, you can see that we're seeing those sunny skies, temperatures back to 74 degrees for Thursday. Friday, Juneteenth, if you have the day off, also going to be quite sunny as well, 78 degrees. So if you've enjoyed the weather today and yesterday, more is on the way for Thursday and Friday. Saturday as well, looking to be pretty good. And beyond that, on that 14-day tracker, we'll eventually start to heat back up into the lower to mid 80s, possibly as we head in towards that John Deere Classic weekend that we are anticipating quite a lot here. Shelby?
Absolutely.